Hi, today I'm going to talk about types of concentrative meditation because many people want to meditate but they want to know what are the basic types of meditation. So we'll cover that in this video. Before understanding what meditation is, we must know what concentration is. In order to meditate, we must all achieve that one-pointed concentration. Let us imagine there is a beam of rain, and if the rain is falling in one straight line from a height continuously, then it can even cut through a stone. But if it is all scattered, then it won't be having the same impact. Similarly, if you imagine sunlight, it's a bright, sunny, warm day. You can see sunlight all around, but nothing is actually burning. Now, if I were to take a lens and pass that sunlight through it, one beam of sunlight directed at one point may even cause a spark there, it may lead to a fire. The same is with scattered thoughts. A person with scattered thoughts has no power. So in order to meditate, we must all achieve that one-pointed concentration, which will give laser sharpness to our mind. But the question is how to do that. Well, I have covered 3 basic types of meditation, which are very, very easy techniques to follow. So the first is meditate on your breath. Here I am not referring to any specific pranayama or breathing techniques. Simply focus on your inhalation, exhalation. Inhalation, exhalation. See, our breath is our first connection to the source. And simply by listening to your breath, it's the best way to calm yourself down. Second is focusing on a sound. Well, it could be a mantra, it could be a word, it could be even a song. But the key is that you don't have to chant the mantra by mouth. You have to chant it in your mind. Because when we are chanting mantras by mouth and we are doing 100 other things, the mind is simply haywire and thinking about a million other things. This kind of chanting has no value. So you can continue to do your household work, but the mind is focused on a mantra. Let us suppose I choose Om Namah Shivaya for myself. And even while I am cooking food, my mind is saying Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, like that. This kind of focus on a sound will really work. The third and the last type of meditation is meditating on a form. Now, this also is of 2 kinds. One is called the yogic practice named Tratika. In Tratika, you maintain your external concentration on a form or an object, simply gazing at it, and see how long can you do it. The other way of meditating on a form is that you look at a form. It could be an object, it could be even the image of a deity. And then you close your eyes and behold that image in your mind's eye. Now what you will experience is that this form will fade away, obviously within a few seconds. So then you have to refresh that visualization and repeat this exercise. The more you can behold that form in your inner eye, shows the superior quality of your meditation. So we have covered meditating on breath, meditating on sound, and meditating on form. I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you so much.